In this video, I want to show you how to project raster data in ArcGIS. That is, projecting from Geographic Coordinate System to UTM. So for example, in ArcGIS, I have this raster data. Now, the first thing is to verify the coordinate reference system of the data. Right click and click on Properties. When it's open, come under Source. You can see the cell size is 0.000277. This is in decimal degree, and this is to show you that the coordinate reference system is Geographic Coordinate Reference System. So if I scroll down to Coordinate System, you can see the Spatial Reference System is showing us Geographic Coordinate System. So that is why the cell size of this data is in decimal degree. Now to project it to UTM so that the cell size can be in meter, let me show you how to do it. To do that, come to Arc Toolbox, come to Data Management Tools, then come to Projection and Transformations, come to Raster, and here you can see Project Raster. Double click to open the tool. So when it opens, input raster, click on the drop down and put in your raster. Then output raster dataset. Navigate to where you want to save it. For example, I want to save it in this folder. So let me call it projected dem. Then click on save. And then here, the output coordinate system, you have to choose the coordinate system your data belongs to. So click here. My data belongs to WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. So I'll select it and click on OK. You can see that has captured that reference system. So click on OK. So in few seconds, it will project this data to projected coordinate reference system. Yes, it is done. So to verify it, right click and click on Properties. Now you can see the cell size is 30.88. It's now in meter. And if I scroll down, you can see the Spatial Reference System is now WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. It's now a projected coordinate system. The essence of this is that most analysis in GIS are run more effectively when your data is in projected coordinate system. But in essence, this is how to project your raster in ArcGIS. If you have any question or clarification, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.